how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update. First, open up your computer search for add or remove programs. Right here, search for Rockstar Launcher. You will see Rockstar Games Launcher. Click on the three dots and then uninstall and confirm the uninstallation. Once you have uninstalled it, we're gonna download it cleanly and freshly. Go to Google, search for Rockstar Games Launcher, click on it here from the screen, and you want to download for Windows. Once you have it downloaded, then you will click on it here to open it up and you will reinstall it. If it still doesn't work, I want you to open up your computer search again, search for view network connections. Click on that. Now click on your first connection, right click properties, find Internet Protocol version 4, highlight it, click on properties again, then use this following DNS server addresses and type 8888, and for the alternate DNS server you're going to type 88 and 4. Validate settings upon exit, click on OK, and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.